This, that, these, those. Jill and Sue are shopping together. I like this teapot. Did you see that plate? Do you like these pins? Yes, those pins are cute. Do you see the words this, that, these, and those? These are another kind of adjective we use with nouns to show where they are. Let's look. Here is a chart. Let's say this row is singular and this row is plural. This column is near and this column is far. Our words go like this. This describes something that is singular and near. That describes something that is singular and far. These is plural and near, and those describe something plural and far. Maybe this doesn't make sense with just the words, so let's look at a room full of cats. We have some cats that are near and some cats that are far in the corner. Okay, this cat is near and there's only one, it's singular. That cat is far, but there's only one, it's singular. These cats are near and they're two, so it's plural. And those cats are far, plural and far. Let's practice with some chairs. This chair is near and there's only one. So we use this chair. The chair back here is far and there's one. So it's that chair, this chair, and that chair. Now we have plural chairs. So the chairs here, if I'm showing you, I would say these chairs. And the chairs back there, I would call those chairs. Okay, let's mix it up with baskets. What should go here? This, that, these, or those? This basket, because it's near and it's singular. How about the baskets in the corner? Those baskets, because they're far, but it's plural. There are more than one. If we change it, now we have one basket, far, that basket. And finally, two baskets near these baskets. We use these words with nouns. Even in this sentence, look, these words. These tells me which words, and words is the noun. We use these words with nouns. Let's look. I like this teapot. This is the adjective that shows me the noun teapot is near and singular. Did you see that plate? That is the adjective that shows me the plate is far, but there's only one. Do you like these pins? She uses these to describe the pins that are in her hand. They're near her. And her friend answers, yes, those pins are cute. The friend uses those because the pins are not in her hand. They're in her friend's hand, far from her. When we speak, a lot of times we don't even use pins. We just say, yes, those are cute. Let's look at some examples. Here, the father is showing the ducks to his daughter. The ducks are far, so he says, Tasha, look at those ducks. Those show that the ducks are far and plural. Here, the husband is giving his wife some flowers, and he says, these flowers are for you. He uses these because the flowers are plural, but also they're near, they're in his hand. Here, someone is looking at the dress and she's thinking, do you think this dress is too short? And she uses this because the dress is near her and there's just singular, one dress. And finally, these two are looking off into the distance, and one points to a building and says, "That building is new." He uses that to show one building far away. Okay, you try. Can you fill in the blank with this, that, these, or those? I'll give you a hint. Near and plural. Do you like these sunglasses? How about here? He's pointing far away. It's far and singular. So he says, "That ship is really big." Here, they're looking across the water, and there's some bears. The bears are far in plural. And so he says, "Those bears are looking at us. Let's go." And finally, she's helping him with homework, and she's pointing at one part. So it's near and singular. Did you read this part about the history of the place? Now you know how to use this, that, these, and those. This cat is near, that cat is far. These cats are near, and those cats are far. This, that, these, and those.